Part 2, Women's Power. It is the continuation of the recreation and relaxation chapter. Let's learn what is women's power. Women's power. What is women's power? Let's see. Earlier, it was believed that girls cannot play as well as the boys. Yeah, it's real. Means in the olden days, people used to just think. It was what I should say, some kind of a thinking. Ki girls are backward. They can't do any work. Even they can't gain education. They are only made for the household work. Okay, so but according to the generation of time, as the time passed, this belief was also removed. Means this thinking was also removed from the minds of the people because girls have proved themselves now. Today, girl is a doctor, engineer. Yeah, means whatever, means she is not backward in any kind of a field. Means whatever the boys can do, girls are more forward than them. So today they are also forward in sports also. Like, have you seen these names here? Saina Nehwal, Sania Mirza, Deepika Kumari, Geeta Phogat. Okay, so these players are forward in their own fields. Like, she is forward in badminton. Sania Mirza is very famous in tennis. Deepika Kumari for athletics and Geeta Phogat for wrestling. Okay, so they are very much forward in not only in national but also in international level sports. What are national games? Let me clear you. What are national games? National games are those games which players used to play with different states used to compete with each other. Players means, once again I'm repeating here, players of different states used to compete with each other. Okay, now what is international level sports? These sports, yeah, when players used to compete with different countries. Okay, have you got it? So this is known as international level sports. So have you understood about the women's power? So I'm saying this कि women are more forward than boys. Any work that is not possible, it is not possible for girls nowadays. So I should say that कि girls are more forward than boys. Are you agreeing? Yes, we should agree because of so many examples it is proved that girls are forward. Now comes the recreation. As recreation, we have discussed already कि recreation, what are recreation? Recreation activities are those activities which are done for pleasure and enjoyment, or otherwise we can say them as कि these activities are enjoyable activities which we are just doing in our leisure time when we are free. So it is a very essential element of human life. So we have to be. So let's learn some of the recreational activities which are given in the chapter. Circus. I think you know what is circus is. Circus is a very important place of recreation. It is organized in big fields because for playing circus, for organizing a circus, we need a big space or enclosed by a colorful tent because these tents are decorated with lights. Yeah, and means so many colors we used to see in the circus. So we can say that it is a type of a recreation for us. Let us see what we see in circus now. We see acrobats. What are acrobats? Acrobats are those people who used to perform difficult tasks, and those tasks are very impossible for a normal human being to perform. Junglers also, and clowns. Clowns also you have seen, means a colorful face they used to have, a big cap they used to wear on their heads, and so many other activities also. And the main activity is to make the people laugh. And with those activities we used to laugh also. And various animals in the circus, different types of animals also we used to see in the circus, as elephants, lions, monkeys also sometimes, and so many. They entertain the people in various ways. As I told you before, what the acrobats used to do, he used to jump and perform somersaults. What are somersaults? Somersaults means, I think you also have done in your childhood, means putting your head downwards and just rolling yourself on the bed. Understood? Yeah. So the junglers lost strings and balls in the air. It is also one type of a task which is performed by the junglers. The clowns make the people laugh. And when we used to watch these clowns, we used to laugh them with their funny acts. Okay, now turn the page. Yes. Now one more recreation is given to you, that is flying kites. You love to fly kites? Let's see. But precautions are must. Unless we are not following these precautions, we can't fly kites. Let's see what the chapter says here. Kite flying is a very popular game in India. Not only in India, it is in other countries also. On Independence Day, people used to fly kite all over the country. What is Independence Day here? Independence Day, on this day, we were completely free from the Britishers. Yeah, means we were completely free. We were just free from the control of British. People fly kites all over the country, as I told you before. People in Gujarat organize fly kiting. This game is very popular in Gujarat. And they used to fly kites on Makar Sankranti. Now tell me, when is Makar Sankranti celebrated? This is only festival which is celebrated on according to the date. Every year this festival is celebrated on the same date, that is January 14. And in Punjab, people used to fly kites on Lohri, means one day before. One day before Lohri is celebrated. One day before of Makar Sankranti. The history of fly kiting is thousands of years old. People are not flying kite from nowadays. Means it is a very old story it is. It is believed that people, with the help of these kites, they used to send and receive messages. Which people? Chinese people. It is believed that the Chinese were the first to use kites to send and receive messages. So according to the time, this kite flying was very popular. It has become very popular in different parts of the world. Understood up to here? So about kite flying you have understood when it is celebrated, when we are just when we are just performing this task. Okay. Now see students, while we fly kites, we used to pay attention on certain kinds of instructions. So these are known as precautions we used to follow at any cost. So these kites are of different shapes also, different colors, different size are available in the markets. So first one we have to follow instruction is that never fly kites from the terrace. Yeah, no need to fly kite on the terrace. Kite flying should be in the open ground. Next thing, never fly kites on roads and railway tracks. Okay, railway tracks means on the railway means where the train used to run. Never pull the manja. What is manja? A thread, a very hard type of a thread which is used to fly kite, because these manja are made up by chemicals, so they can hurt your hands also. So never run after a kite. Never run, because what we used to do when we used to run after a kite, we are not seeing what is coming on the way, and we can fall down and we can injure also. So these are some kind of simple precautions that we have to follow while flying a kites. So I hope you will follow this. Downside, some kind of more recreations are given to you that everybody enjoy at home. These are common types of recreations. When we are completely free, when we are having a leisure time, so I think these recreation activities we are just doing at our home, as watching TV, painting, listening to music, baking cakes, dancing and chatting. Okay students, so I hope you have understood the chapter from me. Thank you for listening me.